Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Fords 98 to 03 Ranger. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's hitch, bumper, and bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. With an 18mm socket, remove your sway bar end link and push it down and out of the way. Step 5. Attempt to push the part into place by aligning it to the existing bolt holes, while taking note of any difficulties. Mark any zones that need more work and begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, while leaving enough material to weld back onto. Coat the part and area with a weldable primer to help prevent further rust development. Step 6. Replace the part and begin C-clamping it into place. The center flange is notched to allow it to conform to the frame's curve. With a clamp, bend the flange until it is flush. Step 7. Weld the part to the frame along all edges and weld slots. Finally, if you haven't already, coat the part with a primer. Reconnect your end link, and you're done.